Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be telling you about photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is a milestone in the quantum mechanics. Hence I have shown you in the diagram, the red lines are the radiation and the black box is the metal surface where electrons are there. So when radiation falls on the metal surface, it ejects some electrons by giving some energy to it. So photoelectric effect refers to the emission of electrons which are observed when one irradiates a metal under vacuum with ultraviolet light. So as a conclusion from the experiment that was done, it was found that the magnitude of the electric current which was thus produced is proportional to the intensity of the striking radiation. Here the striking radiation is the ultraviolet light, right? And provided that the frequency of the light is greater than a minimum value characteristic of the metal. Here this frequency is, we already know, is that threshold frequency. This is the another name of this particular thing. So while the speed of the electrons, it does not depend on the light intensity. Light intensity here is of the ultraviolet light, right? But it does depend on its frequency. Whatever will be the frequency of the ultraviolet light, it will depend on the speed of electron will depend on it. And lastly, all these results could not be explained by classical physics. So in 1905, Einstein tried to explain these results. So Einstein assumed that the light, when interacts with matter, it consisted of corpuscles of energy h nu, where h is the Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of the light. They are called photons. So when photon hits an electron of the metal, basically it is entirely absorbed. So the electron, after receiving this energy h nu, spends an amount of work W. So the kinetic energy will be given by this is again an important formula, which is given by 1 upon 2 mv square is equals to h nu minus W. Here h is the Planck constant again, and nu is the frequency, and v is the velocity, and m is the mass of the electron. So this quantitative theory of photoelectricity has been completely verified by experiment. So it establishes the very important property of light, that is corpuscular nature of light. Corpuscular nature is basically the corpuscular means particle nature of light. Thank you.